What is the best tool for quickly tightening nuts and bolts of any size? Let's start with the adjustable wrench. Can you imagine how revolutionary it would have been when this thing was invented back in 1892? Instead of using dozens of wrenches, you had a single tool to do it all. This was back when you weren't afraid to name your kid Johan Johansson. He was the inventor of the adjustable spanner. Well, let's fast forward to the 1990s, about the time Guns N' Roses was launching their double album. Everything changed. Knipex launched their Pliers Wrench, similar to the adjustable wrench. It could adjust to fit different size nuts and bolts, but the Pliers Wrench could quickly loosen and tighten, making it a much faster tool to use and less slipping on the material because it gripped it as you squeezed. Today, Milwaukee Tool is launching their brand new Pliers Wrench setup. I get wrenches are not the most exciting video content out there, but somehow there are still folks out there that are not using these amazing tools. At first glance, it kind of looks like channel locks and it kind of looks like a wrench, and that's because that's exactly what it is. It's basically a hybrid between an adjustable wrench and smooth jaw pliers. The big difference is in the jaws. They stay parallel and smooth, so instead of digging into the fastener, they grip it evenly across the flats. So right away, you're getting less slipping, less damage, and a much cleaner hold. And if you're working on anything finished like chrome, brass, or painted fittings, that's a big deal. Now the real question is, why did Milwaukee decide to make something like this? It really comes down to improving a tool we've all used forever. Adjustable wrenches work, but they're not always the fastest or easiest to deal with, especially when you're constantly adjusting sizes to work in tighter spaces. So Milwaukee looked at this and thought, how can we make this smoother and more efficient without completely changing how people work? That's where this design comes in. You've got a push button adjustment, so you're not just spinning a thumb wheel all day trying to get the right fit. The ratcheting style motion lets you keep turning it without fully resetting the tool every time, and the self-tightening jaws actually grip harder as you apply pressure, so you're not fighting the tool while you're working. They also added a quick ID size marking, that is SAE and Metric. So you can dial in your size faster, and everything is backed by a limited time warranty, which is what you'd expect from Milwaukee's hand tool lineup. You know, this is not about reinventing the wrench, it's about making those everyday tasks feel a little easier and a lot more consistent. So starting with the smallest option, you've got the 5-inch. This one handles up to 1 1/16 inch, and it's perfect for tighter spaces, service work, or just something you can keep on you all day long. Next is the 7-inch, and this is probably where most people will land. It goes up to 1 7/8 inch, making it a great all-around size for plumbing, HVAC, and general job site use. Then you've got the 10-inch with a capacity of 2 1/4 inches. This is where it starts to handle larger fittings and more demanding mechanical work. And finally, the 12-inch, which goes all the way up to 3 1/8 inch. This is your heavy-duty option for bigger fasteners and more industrial-type applications. They're also offering a 2-piece set if you want to get started with a couple key sizes right away. So depending on what your day-to-day looks like, you can pick up the size that fits your work, or even replace a couple adjustable wrenches in your bag with just a few of these. And the nice part is this isn't really limited to just one trade. If you're a plumber, you're going to take advantage of these right away because of the smooth jaws. They're perfect for working on finished fittings without scratching them up. The HVAC techs out there will like them for installs and service work while you're constantly adjusting and repositioning. You electricians can use it for the lock nuts or the connectors. And even maintenance crews or mechanical guys are going to get solid use out of these for everyday fastening. At the end of the day, if you're working with fasteners, this is just one of those tools that fits naturally into your workflow. And that's really what this comes down to. Milwaukee looked at a tool everyone already uses and found a way to make it better. Not by overcomplicating it, but by fixing the small things that slow you down. And honestly, this feels like one of those tools that once you start using it, it might stay in your hand more than you expect. But I'm curious, what do you think about these? Would you switch over to something like this, or are you sticking with one you've already been using? Let me know in the comments, and if you want to see more new tools reviews and job site gear and just other things that we have, make sure you subscribe. Thanks for watching. Now get back to work.